Hey guys, I guess this is another slime video because I just went to Joann's and found this. Today I'll be making how to make butter slime. First, it's 2 ingredients. First, you need Model Magic, but I just realized that I made a mess because butter is yellow and this is green. So, but you also need lotion, and you can take out your Model Magic. For now, I'll just make a little. So like this. And you just add lotion, and you mix. Okay? Just mix. Sure, it might start ripping. Oh, I also got this idea from Minty Slime, so check her channel out. It'll be, yeah, just search it up, and it'll be down in the description. I'll just put the name if you forget. But okay, so here's your butter slime. That's really it. I mean, all you do is add sure, I might be doing one of my pet peeves, but it's small, so I have to do it. But like I was saying, this is 2 ingredients and it's really not that sticky. Look, see? And it's, I don't know why people do this, but they go like something like that. Which is, I mean, it's satisfying, but sure, okay, sure. So I guess I'll make more since you guys saw how that works. Oh yes, I guess I forgot. Minty Slime was how I've actually figured out how to make slime. By the slime, just how to make slime. I got the idea from her because she made a video of that. And also thanks to my mom because she bought me the borax. But yeah, that's Minty Slime. I think it's a good channel. I mean, by myself, I like that channel. If you could go subscribe to her, that would be awesome, because I do like her videos. But I have not subscribed, which is weird, but I should. But see, there is your butter slime. Once you got your butter slime, you can just play with it. Like other YouTubers, I guess I'd go like oh yes, I also have to tell you that I got my pet peeves video by, I forgot the channel, but I'll try to look it up and I'll put it in the description. But it's a great channel too. And if you want to see how like I use 2 hands while I'm recording, just stick to the end. I don't know how to play with butter slime, which is my problem. So this is the setup, which is really really like basic. Okay, so what you need is a cardboard box, something to hold it, a heavy box on top, and something to like maybe hold it a little more. And once I put it like this, so like that, which is like that. And I like, cause I don't like using one hand for the phone or for what device you're recording, so I just put it here. But I guess I'll just do this one more time, and that's it for the video. Okay, subscribe please, and thank you for watching. Bye.